Tired of fumbling around trying to open your sliding glass door while juggling plates, trays, glasses, condiments, and whatnot, only to end up dropping everything and looking like a doofus? Introducing the Doorhickey. The Doorhickey suctions to your sliding glass door for hands-free opening and closing. Simply suction the Doorhickey onto the glass. Turn the sturdy plastic handle to pull the center of the vacuum cup for a Herculean hold, then use your shoulder, elbow, hip, or whatever to open your sliding door. No tools, no screws, no hassles, and it takes just seconds to install. It's more efficient to gather additional items you plan to take in or out, reducing the number of trips to and from outside to inside and vice versa. The fewer times you have to open the door, the less chance of insects coming in or cool air-conditioned air escaping. Get a second Doorhickey to use on the outside of your door. Your Doorhickey stays suctioned until you remove it. It's also handy for those who have difficulty grasping a standard sliding door handle. Practical, affordable, and fun, the Doorhickey is proudly made in the USA. Try it, and you'll never drop anything again, except our name, the Doorhickey.